channel, man. Y'all can see I got this 2012 Chrysler 300 with the 5.7 Hemi in it. Now what we about to do is, it's got ticking noise, man. Tapping noise. Let me show y'all something. This is what the assurance adjuster got for me. And we're gonna put these on, okay? Now, this very well could be the problem. Again, sometimes when they take over the diagnostics, we let them because we won't be responsible for, you know, anything that's such as if it's wrong or anything like that. Now, from the sound of the noise, I suspect they right, but just only one problem, and this may not be a problem. The parts that we're using, the Mopar lifters are on back order, so we pretty much ain't got a choice. So I am finna remove both cylinder heads. As you know, you have to remove the cylinder heads to gain access to the lifters. Of course, the plenum comes off, valve covers, you know, all the secondary ignition got to come off the coils, and then the valve covers. Then of course the head bolts and the head has to come up. So once we get all that up, we will be able to replace these. Now I'm not going to be able to film, you know, the complete job of everything I'm doing. And whoa, look at that. We got to get this all cleaned up. I'm sure we're going in with new coolant anyway. But just want to let y'all know, if you have no choice, I highly recommend Mopar lifter. But if you have no choice, like I say, Mopar is on back order. Go ahead and use what you have at your disposal, okay? And come get the job completed. I shouldn't run into no problems with this. These are fairly easy. Well, I wouldn't say easy, but they're nothing I haven't seen before. I shouldn't run into any kind of problem. So I'm gonna get to it, and I will get back with y'all later. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Let's get these lifters done. I'll see you on the next video.